how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can quickly integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. So simply open up Mailchimp, sign up. After that, from the left side, simply click on integrations. And then once you click on integrations from over here, you guys will see hundreds and hundreds of these integrations come up. So now from over here, what I want you guys to do is that I want you guys to just simply look for WordPress. So over here, if you guys see WordPress, well then simply click on that, and then after that, that's going to take you guys over here. So when you guys come on over here, now from over here, it's going to tell you all the installation steps. So firstly, you'll have to put in your website URL, then you guys will have to choose an audience to connect to your website, then you will get the click code, and then after that, HubSpot is going to be integrated with WordPress. So guys, that is how you guys can integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.